Okay, here's my washing machine that got a F70 Air code on May 19th. A&E came out on May 25th, reseated some connectors. Today is May 31st, and I called it in again. And as you can see, there's a red light. My clothes are locked inside the machine. I've got an F71 code. The machine basically will not do anything. I mean, I can't, the door's locked. It started dispensing water. It's broke. And I want it fixed. And this, I believe, is an NFW7500VW01 model Amana washing machine. Purchased January 13th, 2011. A few months later, like I said, 5/19, the thing's not working. And service tech's already come out and looked at it, and it's still not. A week later, it still doesn't work.